All right, Doc Positive here at the Paws Veterinary Clinic, and we are here today with Cringer. And Cringer, 9-year-old indoor kitty cat, 100% indoors, doesn't go outside. You can kind of see here we got one ear up and one ear down. Doc loves that look. You know he's got a couple dogs. He's got Sally Field the Flying Nun. We named her that because it's one ear up, one ear down, but that's not Cringer's problem. Cringer has an aural hematoma. Aural as in A-U-R-A-L. If you look at this ear, nice, thin, flat. And this ear, all swollen right in there. And that is a blood clot between the layers of skin in the ear. Now, a lot of these kitty cats that come into Doc that have an aural hematoma, they've either been shaking their head, they've been scratching at their ears, they may have an underlying ear infection, ear mites, or some problem. And when cats scratch, they can actually break that blood vessel. And that blood vessel, the blood fills up between the skin, the pressure, and a blood clot. And many, many, many years ago, I used to do surgery and fix these, correct these surgically. After about 5 years, I had a client that didn't want to get her dog surgically fixed, and Doc has never done surgery on an aural hematoma since. I take a non-surgical approach because post-operatively, when you drain these, when you sew these and so forth, these dogs and cats are miserable. Their ears are painful, they're shaking, they're flapping, they're bleeding, they're draining. Subsequently, I've not fixed one since. I let them heal naturally because this blood clot, it's like a wrestler or an MMA fighter who has a cauliflower ear. Cringer will absorb that blood clot. This will scar up a little bit, but if you do surgery on it, it's going to scar up a lot, and they're miserable. This way, they're comfortable. Ron, Dad was asking about, well, can that pop? Is he going to? I've never had one pop, break, or anything. So I don't inject those. I don't drain those. I leave them alone. That's cost me thousands of dollars in income over the year. But as you know by now, Doc is not in it for the money. He's in it for the animals. These animals are much more comfortable. The only thing is, Cringer, henceforth and forevermore, is going to have one ear up and one ear down. So, just like Sally Field, just like Doc's dog Bern, short for Bernadette, one ear up, one ear down. You'll be able to pick them out of a lineup that way, but Daddy will be much happier. Cringer will be way happier, and that's the way we roll here at Paws Veterinary Clinic. All right, bye now.